Hey Dan, this is Scott Walker with Impact Lane SEO. We just spoke on the phone and I was making this video to kind of show you some things that I do as a digital marketer and how you could, get more leads instead of SafeLight and your competitors. So I did do a little bit of research, 3 different states, that's pretty awesome. I'm here in Utah, so I don't know why you didn't come here. No, I'm just kidding. And then 40 years of experience, that's pretty awesome. So really like what I see here, but one thing that I kind of would recommend for your website, there's a few things that I'll go over as your website, Google Ads, and then also your Google Business Profile. So for your website, I would recommend having more content. And the reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. You want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout your content you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And for me, what that means is a location and a service. So, like windshield replacement, Denver, or let's see, that was Colorado, Las Vegas, or I don't know too many in North Dakota, sorry. But with that being said, you could also save your images as those keywords too. Instead of ChipPros van, it could say windshield replacement Denver, and that would count as content because it's embedded behind your photo for you. And then looking at Ahrefs, this is a third-party tool. It kind of shows me your analytics and what you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those balanced and continuously moving up. You're currently at 1 and 3 due to your referring pages and domains, and pretty much what those are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to make sure that you stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And then looking at your keywords, you have 103 keywords you're being indexed for. And, chip auto glass repair, you're number 14, and you're getting 2 traffic out of 150 searches a month. Broomfield auto glass, you're on the 13th position, you're not getting any traffic. But the ones that, I would recommend, auto glass repair Denver, Chip Auto Glass. That's pretty close to what you guys are called. So, Reno Auto Glass Repair. There's a couple others that I'll show you in a second, but the ones that have the actual windshield chip repair at Fort Collins, that is a buyer intent because there is a location and a service. And then just kind of looking at, I just did windshield and auto glass just for Denver, the state. There's almost 3,000 searches without any location, and this is where your Google ads would really take into account. But as you can also see down here, there's lots of other searches, so we're looking at almost 10,000 searches just for some sort of chip repair, glass repair, or replacement, just right here in these top 7 keywords. So I just did windshield replacement Denver, Colorado, and the ads that I was just showing you, that's where you would show up for these type of ads. A lot of these, what you want to do is you want to break your ad groups into different themes. Like windshield replacement and windshield repair would be different. And then windshield replacement and auto glass replacement would be different. And that's how you get really good click-through rates, because this says auto glass, this says auto glass, this says auto glass and windshield, but it doesn't say windshield replacement. And then you also want to try and get in the location if possible, depending on if you're in a county or a city or whatnot. But Denver windshield, that's really close, but it doesn't say replacement. So that's how you get a higher click-through rate here. Then on your landing page experience, you want a call button right up top, maybe a form submit with your make and model, and then what you do, where you do it, and if you run any promotions with a picture in the background showing the same search. So those are kind of the ways to have a good conversion rate once they go to the landing page. And then we look at your Google Business Profile, and it's okay that you're not here. There's lots of ways to get there. You could start by making sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. Reviews are huge. Getting as many high-star reviews as possible is great. I have a little trick for that if you guys would like. And then you're putting your name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is beneficial because Google is like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you, and that's not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the ads in the Google Business Profile is about 60 to 70% of searches stop right here, so it's really beneficial to be up here for those searches. And then we can move into the organic section for the website, and it looks like Denver Auto Glass is one of your top competitors. And if you look at their website, it does have a little bit more content on here. I wouldn't really say there's that much better content. But when you start to have better buyer intent keywords with the content and then the authoritative backlinks and citations, you'll start to outrank your competitors. And then looking right here, windshield replacement Denver. So with Denver as a location, there's 800 searches a month. Repair, there's another 200. So just by those two, there's 1,000 searches with Denver in it. But when you start to have all those things, a percentage of these total volumes will start to go to your website instead of your competitors. And a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. And so I hope this was beneficial for you, Dan. I'd love to hear your feedback, and if you guys want to discuss more, let's set up a discovery call and make sure we're a good fit for each other. So have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.